A TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. From a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and the width of the road. Solution. According to the given problem, a TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. Let height of the tower is equal to AB is equal to x meters. Width of the road is equal to AC is equal to y meters. If the observer is on the other side of the road, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. From another point, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. The distance between 2 points of observation is equal to CD is equal to 10 meters. Angles of elevation from two observation points are 60 degrees and 30 degrees. That is, angle ACB is equal to 60 degrees and angle ADB is equal to 30 degrees. We know tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So, from triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equal to AB by AC. That is equal to x by y. We know tan 60 is equal to root 3, which implies root 3 is equal to x by y, which implies x is equal to y root 3. Consider this as equation 1. From triangle ABD, tan 30 degrees is equal to AB by AD. We know tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Here, AD is the total distance from foot of the tower to second observation point, that is D. AD can be written as width of the road plus distance between two observation points. So, AD is equal to AC plus CD, which implies 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by AC plus CD, which implies 1 by root 3 is equal to x by y plus 10, which implies root 3x is equal to y plus 10, which implies root 3 into y, root 3 is equal to y plus 10, since from equation 1, which implies 3y is equal to y plus 10, which implies 3y minus y is equal to 10, which implies 2y is equal to 10, which implies y is equal to 5. From equation 1, x is equal to root 3y, that is equal to root 3 into 5, that is equal to 5 root 3. Therefore, height of the tower is equal to 5 root 3 meters. Width of the road is equal to 5 meters.